Today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese eggplant and garlic sauce. You will first want to gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 Chinese eggplants cut into 2-inch length, 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, half tablespoon of minced fresh ginger, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili bean sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 green onions finely chopped. Cut your eggplants into 2-inch length and then place them in a bowl and fill with water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and either vinegar or lemon juice and mix well. This will help keep the eggplants from browning. Allow it to soak for about 15 minutes. While you're waiting, you can mince your garlic and ginger and chop your green onions. Remove eggplants from water and pat dry with paper towel. In a wok or cooking pan, add cooking oil, ginger, eggplants, and stir fry for about a minute. And then add chili bean sauce, garlic, chopped green onions, sugar, and soy sauce and mix well. Stir fry for about 7 minutes or until the eggplants are cooked thoroughly. Remove from heat and serve.